Hey y'all, Bill the How-To Guy here. Feel free to subscribe at youtube.com/Bill the How-To Guy because Bill will show you how to.
Hey everyone, Bill the How-To Guy here. I'm going to demonstrate how to remove a doorknob. Now in my previous video I removed a deadbolt, so if you haven't checked that out, definitely do so. But to remove a doorknob, all you want to do, you want to take this screw out just using a standard Phillips head screwdriver. I think that most of your doorknobs will be Phillips head. Maybe there's some that are flathead, who knows. But that's pretty easy to determine. If you can't tell the difference between a Phillips head and a flathead, you may want to hire somebody to do this. The next thing, there's two little screws on the inside of your doorknob. You're going to want to take those out. And these are pretty long screws, so you may think that it's taking forever, and it's just the way they are, they're long. And there's another one on the other side. I'm going to take that one out. And again, it's a long screw just like this other one. And that is out. The next step is to pull this piece out. Actually, you're going to need to take your doorknob out first, and then this piece that's in here will slide out. That's it. That's how to install or how to remove a doorknob from a door. So subscribe if you haven't already. It's youtube.com/Bill the How-To Guy. Check out my video where I did the deadbolt removal. Check out my video where I did the doorknob removal, and then check out my videos that I'm going to demonstrate installing a new deadbolt, installing a new doorknob. Thanks for watching. Share this video with others. youtube.com/Bill the How-To Guy. Y'all have a good day.